Hello students, today we will start the first chapter of the matter according to our new textbook. So in the new textbook, first chapter is matter, and today we will discuss about the topics. First topic is kinetic theory of matter, and then we will discuss about the force of attraction between particles, cohesion force and addition force. In previous video I have already discussed about the kinetic theory of matter and force of attraction, that means cohesion force and addition force, that means the attraction force between the molecules of the same substance is called the cohesion force, and the attraction force between the molecules of the different material is called the addition force. Today we will discuss again the kinetic theory of matter, and on the basis of kinetic theory of matter we will decide the differences between the solid, liquid and gaseous state. So now let us start the first chapter, matter. So now listen very carefully. The matter exists in three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous states, and each form of matter has certain characteristics. Solids are characterized by definite shape and fixed volume. Liquids are characterized by fixed volume but no definite shape. Gaseous are characterized by no definite volume and no definite shape. In this chapter, we will find answers to some of the questions related to such behavior of matter. So now, our first topic is kinetic theory of matter. So now listen very carefully. The description of matter in terms of motion of the particles in it and the force of attraction between them is called kinetic theory of matter. The kinetic theory of matter is also kinetic molecular theory of matter. That means the kinetic theory of matter is also called kinetic molecular theory of matter. We are going to the first topic, kinetic theory of matter. Now, according to the kinetic theory of matter, listen very carefully. First important point, all matter is made up of very small particles. These particles may be atoms, ion or molecules. So now again, all matter is made up of very small particles. These particles may be atoms, ions or molecules. Listen, matter is made of extremely small particles that cannot be seen with the naked eye. These particles are called atoms, and the atoms of each element is unique and has its own properties. So now this is the first points related to the kinetic theory of matter. Now again, the second, the constant particles in any matter are constantly in random motion, thus they possesses kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of these particles increases with a rise in temperature. That means kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature of the substance. We know that kinetic energy of any substance K is equal to 3 by 2 kT, where K is the Boltzmann constant, but this is not in our syllabus, so we will study simple that kinetic energy of any molecule or atoms is directly proportional to the temperature. And now listen, one important point is that we know that three states of matter, there are three states of matter, that means solid, liquid and gas, but one is, that means fourth state of matter, there is also a fourth state of matter, and this fourth state of matter is called plasma. That is very important point, plasma, and it occurs at high temperature such as in a star. Listen very carefully, plasma is the fourth state of matter. So this is a rememberable point, that plasma is the fourth state of matter. It occurs at high temperature such as a star. Now next kinetic theory of matter, related to the kinetic theory of matter, the third point is that the size of substance are like in respects respects wise shape, size, composition and properties. The particles in different substances are different. This is the third point related to the kinetic theory of matter. Now fourth point, the particles of a substance have spaces between them called intermolecular space. Now listen again, this is an important point. There is space between the particles, and this space is called interparticle space or intermolecular space. In solid, intermolecular space is very less, and in gaseous medium, intermolecular space is very high. So now next point is the particles in any matter attract to each other. These force of attraction decreases as the distance between the particles increases. That means if the intermolecular space between the particles increases, then the force of attraction will decreases, so the kinetic energy of the molecules will increase. So now next point is that the temperature of a body is measure of average kinetic energy of a molecule in it. Again, I repeat again, the temperature of a body is a measure of average kinetic energy of the molecule in it. The kinetic energy of any substance is directly proportional to the temperature. I have already told you that the kinetic energy of any substance is directly proportional to the temperature. This is the sixth point related to the kinetic theory of gases. So now again, the particles are always in a constant and random motion and possesses kinetic energy due to their motion, and this kinetic energy is directly proportional to the temperature. That means as temperature increases, the average speed of the movement particles is also increases. That means kinetic energy of the particles will increase. Now next, this is overall kinetic theory of matter. So now let us start the force of attraction. The force of attraction, and we know that force of attraction are of two types. Number first, cohesion force, and other is addition force. So now let us start the intermolecular force of attraction. So now intermolecular force of attraction, the force of attraction between two molecules or atoms in any matter is called intermolecular force of attraction. The force of attraction between any two molecules in any matter is of two types. Number first, force of cohesion, and then second and other is force of addition. So now let us start the force of cohesion. The force of cohesion, that means the force of attraction between similar kinds of particles or same substance of particles is called force of cohesion. The force of cohesion acts between the molecules of liquids such as water and oil and holds them together in the form of drops. This force is also acts between the particles of solid such as wood and paper. Now this is the force of cohesion. That means the force of attraction between the particles of same substance or similar kinds of particles is called the force of cohesion. That means example, the force of attraction between two molecules of water is the force of cohesion. Now next, force of addition. That means the force of attraction between the molecules of two different substances is called the force of addition. The strength of this addition force depends on the kind of particles and the distance between them. That means the force of addition depends on the distance between the particles. For example, water wets wood due to the adhesive force between water molecule and wood molecule. Mercury does not wet wood because the adhesive force between mercury and wood is much less. Also, the adhesive force between water molecules and wood molecules is much greater than the cohesive force between water molecules themselves. So we can say that the force of attraction between the molecules of two different substances is called the addition force, and the force of attraction between the same substance is called the force of cohesion. That means we makes the matter to exist in any one of the three states. This can be explained as follows. That means on we can explain on the basis of cohesion force and addition force. In next video we will discuss about the three states of the matter. That means states of the matter. Today we study about the kinetic theory of the matter and force of attraction between the particles. That means cohesive force and adhesive force. In the next video we will discuss about the states of the matter. That means three states of the matter or four states of the matter. Three states of the matter means solid, liquid and gas, but the fourth states of the matter is plasma. So we will discuss about the three states of matter. Thank you.